the Satan Ordained Revolution, who in 2017 installed the several faces of the revolution to plant stupidity in the Noble Ambazonian RQ, are today reaping a bountiful harvest of confusion. Yet, the same blind surrogacy syndrome problem of 2017 which fanned the egos to the naive and opportunistic leaders who were selling the stupid strategies of schools boycotts, Monday ghost towns and lockdowns as what will bring independence in ground zero, has instead morphed into rationalizing but the consequences of their 8 years of promoting stupid strategies, all while hiding behind the make we leave 'em so. Norg dysfunctional collaboration childishness. All these happening in the Noble Ambazonian RQ because of the absence of a true never-again generation. Just what part of never again constitute this Ambazonian-only mentality that our history must be subject to politically expedient rationalizations? This is why in the U.S. Congress Subcommittee on Africa, there should exist at the least 13 definitions of what constitute our sovereign state. Whereas, if only the Ambazonian RQ had a veritable never-again caucus, the element of the over 70 years of denying, deflecting and bastardization of their sovereignty should have been the singular focus of this never-again mantra. This won't happen until the recessive automatic resistance of the anti-sovereignty political mentality is defeated by triad principles of the truth, our rights, and our identity. Only at this sovereignty immunizing juncture we the Noble RQ automatically become the United Ambazonian RQ. This is because this will be the day we have accepted the supremacy of the sovereignty doctrine, as was our unanimous resolution and acknowledgement after the May 28, 2019 European Institute of Peace, EIP, SWOT analysis verdict. This will be equally also how to let the world know that indeed, Ambazonians are not Cameroonians or whatever cardinality and/or prefixes or suffixes. Edwin Ngang. September 10, 2024.